Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my homepage. Uh, I make this homepage by using of HTML, only HTML. I don't use in this page uh, CSS or any other language. So I only use in this page HTML. So let's see what is the code of this HTML page. So let's see. Uh, First of all, uh, I start by the using of boilerplate. Uh, this is the doctab HTML. It means that it's normally means that it is for HTML5. It's basically used for HTML5, and second after this HTML language. It means this whole page is in the language of English. EN stands for English. After I use head tag for meta chart set. UTF means it stands for language, basically eight language. It is it stands, and after this meta name, view both context with device with initial scale 1.0. It means that how the device website, how the device is my website shown. Like if I use an laptop, then my page shows difference, and I use mobile phone then or tablet, then my page shows different type of devices. After this, uh, in head tag, we use title, and this is title for website uh, website tab name. So my website tab name is student portal, that is homepage. And after this, I close the title tag, and after I close head tag, and I start body tag. In body tag, I use header. Header, it means for this. I show you header where I use welcome to my student portal and homepage. After it, I use um, this line for, let's see. First of all, I use S1 for my welcome to my student portal, and and give the style to this text line center, that in the text shows in the center of the page. And after that, this I colored the text, that is brown. And after that, this second I use second text, that is S2, and I also style it and colored it. After this, I close this, and after this, I close header, and after use this HR for the line, uh, and after this, I use division tag. In this division tags, it shows in this S3. I use uh, I am the Harshit Buddha, and this is my homepage normally. So let's see. I use S3 tag, style text line, basically the same as upper. And I am Harshit Buddha. This is my homepage. After this, I close this S3 and division. After this, make uh, I make this list. This is the unordered list for my menus, like home, profile, course, peers, feedback, contacts us. And that is my um, menus. For this, I use division, and after this UL list, that is another list. After this, I use li list items, where I use ahref, means hyperreference for this page, and where is I named it index html, profile, course, etc. More. And after this, I close the UL tag, and after in this, I close division. And after this, I use main. where I main tag is for uh, uh, where we use all the details of the page, and text also, where the page shows. And I use paragraph first of all. P tag stands for paragraph, and where I use this: hello, welcome to my personal student portal. Here you can explore my profile. After I break this line, BI tag, for by using BI tag, uh, because of the I wants to break here, break from here, and start from this uh, next line from here. Okay, so that's why I use BI tag. And after this, it is this. After use, I use S2 style, and where I shows about this page normally, and I also give it the style and color, and I and I also I also use uh, I also give it the font status change, and hmm, that is family font impact. The name of font is this: impact, Hattelville, Arial, narrow, bold, sans serif. This is the font name. This is this much, and this is about the page. After I close the S2, and after it, uh, normally I use S4 for my mm, this paragraph, this text, because I want to more text in my home page. So I normally use the lorem ipsum code, lorem ipsum, about 200 words. So I do this lorem ipsum, just I use lorem 200, and it gives me the lorem, it gives me the 200 words of text. After I close main tag, and after this is the footer tag, this is the bottom of the website, where I can use where we can use the copyright of websites, like copyright symbol. This is, and we use all the copyrights. That this is normal, but most of the big websites, they are mostly use this copyrights, because of the copyright is um, because of the another people, they don't want to steal the website's codes, so they use the copyright um, code. Okay, and after I use this S3, and after this I close the footer and body. This is the HTML home page. uh, this is the HTML home page, HTML code. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you will be understand this code. Normally, if you any problems, then comment it me. Okay.